in that heart rate, jazzercise, and step aerobics class. Today we're going to be talking about cardiovascular health. Aerobic exercise is an exercise that includes strengthening not only your lungs, but also your heart and muscles. The short-term effect of aerobic exercise is an increased heart rate, making you feel more alive through the neurotransmitters in your brain. The long-term effect of aerobic exercise includes lengthening the longevity of your heart and lung because the muscles become stronger as time goes on. When participating in aerobic exercise, your heart will need to pump more blood in order to have a successful workout. Blood vessels will dilate during this, so the demand of blood is higher. ATP is an energy source that is also released during exercise. When we exercise, our heart works closely with our lungs. When your heart rate increases, you breathe harder. You breathe in oxygen from the air, which is then transported to your lungs to undergo cellular respiration, where oxygen is removed and carbon dioxide is left as a waste product. You may be wondering, who can participate in activities such as step aerobics? The answer is very simple. Anyone can! Anyone participating in any kind of aerobic activity should be very careful of any objects that can get in their way, such as this step. People with lung diseases such as asthma may have difficulty with these exercises and should start slow and integrate cardio. If you feel coughing or wheezing, you should stop and go see your doctor. Okay guys, welcome back to your anaerobic exercise class, weights and whatnot. Anaerobic exercise is any exercise that does not include the use of oxygen to break down glucose. Wait, I don't need oxygen to break down glucose? No, how could you be so stupid? When we lift weights, our body does not need oxygen to break down glucose and build muscle. I guess that makes sense. So then that means if I lift these weights, I'll have a boost of metabolism and I'll maintain lean muscle? And then guess what? What? When you work out for long periods of time, you build even more muscle and more metabolic acidosis, ultimately making you skinnier and healthier. Here, Shelby is demonstrating bicep curls. Her bicep and tricep are working together to complete the movement. Go. Here, Kat is demonstrating a lunge with a calf raise. Together, her glute, hamstring, and calf are working together to complete the movement. Her calf is contracting as she completes the movement. Now, we have to make sure we're being safe and using good form, so we don't end up with torn muscles that will take forever to heal. Take a chill pill, dude. Everything's gonna be fine. Oh, I think I tore my bicep. While sometimes it's nice to eat a cosmic brownie or a bag of Lay's potato chips, that is no way to live. A diet should be well balanced with a mixture of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and the occasional amino acid. When people take their diets into account, they not only feel better in the short term, but will ultimately live longer and happier lives. On our menu tonight, we have spaghetti! First, we're going to add a box of pasta noodles to a pot of boiling water. Pasta is an excellent source of carbohydrates. Carbs are an amazing short-term energy source. Runners especially will eat pasta the night before a race to give them energy. While our noodles are boiling, we're going to cook our beef in a pan. Beef and any other protein is crucial in the rebuilding and repairing of muscle tissue. Now we're going to remove the grease from the bottom of the pan with a paper towel. While some fats are very bad for you, such as saturated fats, natural fats from animal meats aren't necessarily that bad. Now we're going to drain the water from the pasta away from your face. Now we're going to mix together our proteins, carbs, and a little flavor. The digestive process starts with mechanical digestion in the mouth. Then the grinded up food will travel down my esophagus into my stomach. The stomach is where both chemical and mechanical digestion take place. The muscles in my stomach will churn the spaghetti and then it will be sent to the small intestine. In the small intestine, villi will take out all the nutrients from your spaghetti and absorb them through the bloodstream. In the large intestine, any remaining water is absorbed from the food and waste products are produced. Now you may be wondering, what's the last part of digestion where the waste product is eliminated? We're not going to talk about that! Digestion starts in the mouth with mechanical digestion. The long-term effects of aerobic exercise include lengthening the your heart rate increases, you breathe harder. Amino acid. When people take their diets into account, they not only... I forgot what I was going to say. What? Here, Shelby is demonstrating... Nope. Oh. Thank you for watching our Human Body Systems Final.